Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
Open Quick Settings on the Steam Deck and toggle Wi-Fi to on. Then pick your network and enter the password to connect securely. Prefer 5 GHz for faster throughput and 4 GHz for better range in larger spaces. If you have signal problems, move closer to the router or reduce interference from other devices. You can tether via phone using USB or Bluetooth when no local Wi-Fi is available. Remember to forget old networks you no longer use to keep the list clean. For stable wired connections, attach a USB-C dock or adapter and plug in Ethernet. The deck will detect the wired link under network settings automatically. To secure traffic, install WireGuard or open VPN using Flatpak or the terminal in desktop mode. After installing, load your profile and enable the VPN to protect your session. If you need content filtering or routing, configure a system proxy in desktop mode network settings. Always test speed and latency. After changing, switch to desktop mode to install Firefox or Chromium using the Discover Store or Flatpak. Launch the browser to sign into accounts and manage web apps just like on a PC. If pages fail to load, clear the DNS cache and toggle IPv6 in network settings to test resolution. For stubborn problems, restart Network Manager with a single command or reboot the deck entirely to refresh networking services. Finally, keep Steam OS updated to the latest Steam OS 3 release for networking fixes and driver improvements.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.